want to find viral clips from a long video, you'd normally have to import the entire video into an editing software and manually search for the best moments. And that can take a lot of time, right? But even after finding those clips, you still have to add captions, edit them, and make them more engaging, which takes even more time. But what if I told you there's a tool where you can simply upload your long video, and within just a few minutes, it automatically finds the most engaging clips for you? And the best part is, you can also edit those clips directly inside the same tool. The tool I'm talking about is FlexClip, and you can find the link in the description below. Simply head over to the FlexClip website and log in. Once you do that, you'll see an interface like this. Now, at first, this interface might look a little complicated to some of you, and that's mainly because FlexClip gives you access to a huge number of tools. And honestly, for content creators, a lot of these tools can be extremely useful. But for now, we want to find viral clips from a long video. So, simply click on Create a Video and then choose Long to Shorts. You can also access the Long to Shorts feature directly from the homepage. Now, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you have multiple ways to add your video. You can paste the YouTube link of any video you want to turn into short clips. You can click on Browse Files to upload a video directly from your computer, or you can even import a video from Google Drive. For now, I'm going to paste the link to one of these YouTube videos. Once you add the link, it'll take a few moments to process the video, and then you'll see something like this. First, under text language, I'm going to select English. For the clip type, I recommend leaving it on auto. Next, you can choose the duration of your clips based on your preference. For now, I'm going to select auto, which means the AI will automatically decide the best duration for each clip. Then, you can choose the size of your clips based on where you plan to upload them. After that, you can select your preferred caption style. There are multiple styles available here, but I really like this one, so I'm going to select it. Now, here's another really useful feature. If you want to create a clip from a specific part of your video, you can simply describe the scene or moment you're looking for, and the AI can find and generate that specific clip for you. For now, I don't need anything specific, so I'm just going to leave this section empty. Once everything is set up, simply click on Generate. FlexClip will now start analyzing your video and generating the clips. The processing time will depend on the length of your original video, so longer videos may take a little more time. And as you can see, our clips have now been generated. You can click on the play button to preview any clip. Right next to each clip, you can also see the captions, which makes it easier to quickly understand what each clip is about. And if you look at the top, you'll find several more useful options. By clicking the Publish button, you can publish your clip directly to social media from FlexClip. You can use this icon to download your clip. And if you want a clip from a specific part of your original video, you can use this option to generate one. But this is where things get even better. By clicking this icon, you can open your clip directly inside the FlexClip editor and customize it however you want. And this is one of the things I really like about FlexClip. You're not just getting an AI tool that finds clips for you, you also get a complete editor to improve those clips. You can add background music, insert text, add B-roll footage, use different elements, and customize your video in many other ways. And if the AI-generated subtitles contain a spelling mistake, or you simply want to change something, you can easily edit the subtitles as well. Once you're happy with the final result, simply click on Export at the top and export your finished clip. And one more thing I should mention is that FlexClip gives you access to a lot of useful AI features and video editing tools at a relatively affordable price. Many other platforms charge significantly more for similar features. So, if you want good results without spending too much time, effort, or money, I definitely recommend giving FlexClip a try. You'll find the FlexClip link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye!